This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a close to the Loop, West Loop location that has great proximity to restaurants, nightlife, shops, and public transit for a tour of one of the apartments at Presidential Towers. I'm in apartment 508, a one-bedroom in Tower 2, looking out to the north, turning into a spacious living dining area. Wide plank flooring in the living dining area and kitchen. Windows have sills to set your plants or your knickknacks on. Living dining area is wide enough to give you a lot of flexibility in how you lay out your furniture and provide space for a home office desk. An efficient U-shaped kitchen, pendant lighting above the breakfast bar, 4-burner electric range, white quartz counters, an undermount stainless steel sink that has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, the built-in microwave and dishwasher. Turning for a look at the entryway, coat closet would have been off to your right as you entered. Turning opposite the kitchen, it's a closet with shelving as I head toward the bath, which has a wall-wide vanity, bank of drawers for storage, undermount sink under a quartzite counter, and a tub shower combination. Bedroom is carpeted and spacious enough to accommodate any size bedding and additional furniture. There's an additional wide closet in the bedroom. Presidential Towers has a close to the loop, close to everything location, extensive amenities, variety of apartments with varied finishes. Definitely want to put Presidential Towers on your must-see list. Head to Presidential Towers' website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.